Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. It's going to be drinking, smoking, swearing. All right, you have been warned. Here's a come. Look in 3. Look 2. Look 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes. Look. That never gets old. Look. In the multiverse. What you know about multiverse, son? Yes. All right, guys, we got a great show for you today. Yes. As you can tell, I've already been getting fueled. Yes. I've been up all night. I've been up all day, I mean. We had the GOATs. What do you know about the GOATs? You know about the U.S. Open tennis? We had the GOATs. Greatest of all time. GOAT. Greatest of all times. Tonight we had Serena. Bang. We had Roger Federer. Bang. Yes. We had the GOATs in America tonight. Look. All right, but we got a show for you tonight. I'm the GOAT of crypto. Look. Money market fund launched on Stellar. Bang. Stellar. Onboarding and rocking and rolling. We're going to talk about that. Oh, and this is the good stuff. Oh, my bad. Okay, so first, though, we're going to talk about the Dutch Central Bank is going to give crypto regulations. Bang! Now, I don't know if it means they get on the nation's list of champions. Yeah, they're trying. So we'll see. And then finally, VanEck is going to offer Bitcoin what? ETFs. They said, yo, fuck you, SEC. We got good lawyers, and we found some loopholes, and we're going to offer some ETFs. We're going to talk about it. We're going to get deep into that one. So look. You know how we do, brothers. Buy. Wait. Buy. Yes. And then we go. Buy. Yes. And then we refresh. Nice. Yes, brothers. Nice. All right, look. Let me get my beverages in order. Get the beverages in order. Let's do this in an orderly fashion, gentlemen. Yeah, brothers, we got some good information today. It's some interesting shit. So look, but hold on. Let's do how we do it, though. Bang! Top 10 day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin chain. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tether, Binance Coin, EOS, Bitcoin SV, and Monero still holding on to the 10. Look. Oh, this shit. Hold on. See, I knew I was forgetting something there. Hold on. Obviously, I watched some U.S. Open tennis tonight. So, yes. I've already been fueling. All right, so we're going to have to take this slower than normal. Look. Top 10. Bitcoin price. 10,569 on the Bitcoin tonight. And last night we were at 10,374, which is, let's just call that a $200 rise in the Bitcoin. All right, so top 10. We did that. Bang. Yeah, let's do it again. Fuck it. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tether, Binance Coin, EOS, Bitcoin, SV, Monero. Yes. Let's look at the market moves today, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down, brothers. Yes. That's how it goes. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Two. Single digits up, 2. Single digits down. All right, let's look who lost money today, brothers. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Look. Whoops. Forgot to do the bang. Look. Top 10 lose of the day, brothers. Energy, Dragon Coins, Ren, Algorand, One Chain, Cryptos.com Chain, Chainlink, Wink, Cosmos, ABBC Coin, and wait a minute. What the fuck's wrong with my shit? Oh, that is 10. Okay, my bad. All right, an ABBC Coin. Well, actually, I gave you an extra one. Look, top 10 wins of the day, brothers. MadeSafe Coin, Synthetics Network, Engine Coin, Augur, Huobi Token, Theta, Nexo, Qcoin Shares, Rift Token, and Quant. Let's see what the total market cap of the day is, brothers. What? 266.3. Is it? Or is that 268? Not all right. 216.3. Yesterday when I left you, it was 264.9. So $1.4 billion up on the day. And let's go total volume of the day, brothers. 59.5. Right? Yes. 59.5 on the day, brothers. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 58.2. So again, so a little rise in the market cap and a little rise in the volume of the day. We are now at 59.5. Yesterday, I left you at 58.2. So we went up 1.3 billion on the day, which gave us that slight little rise in our little Bitcoin. All right. Look. Let's get to the works. Let's get to work, brothers, because we got work to do tonight. Look, asset management giant wants government money, market fund on Stellar. Bang! And that's what I'm telling you about, Stellar. So, you know about Stellar. Stellar, the CEO of Stellar, Jed McCaleb, he was one of the creators of Ripple. Yeah, XRP. Yeah, he was one of the first guys who made it. Him, Jed McCaleb, Schwartz, who's the CTO of Ripple right now, Larson, I don't remember what his role is in Ripple right now, and then another guy. Those four guys, they made Ripple. And so Jed McCaleb, he left Ripple because he wanted XRP and Ripple to be a full blockchain, offering distributed apps. You can launch tokens on it, like all this other shit. And I guess Larson and those guys, they just wanted to print themselves some money. They didn't really care about being a real blockchain. And so he was like, fuck all this. So Stellar, whenever you think of Stellar, this is what Ripple is supposed to be. All right? This is what the vision of it was supposed to be before these guys just ended up saying, fuck all that. We have all this money now. We have billions of dollars now. Why work? Kind of thing. So, asset management giant wants government money market fund on Stellar. Yes. So, when you hear this name, you're going to understand. So, an asset manager, Fidelity, is an asset manager, right? Well, this is another asset manager. And they're just below Fidelity. Well, not just below, but pretty close. And they want to put their stuff on Stellar. And that's why I bring up the Ripple crap, is because, yeah, Stellar, you can do lots of stuff on it. You can write distributed apps. You can issue tokens. There's a distributed exchange. Like Jed McCaleb, when he left Ripple, he made Stellar into all this other stuff, right? And so, watch this. Hold on. So look. American asset management firm Franklin Templeton. Bang! Franklin Templeton. Yeah, that's right. That's right below Fidelity. That's right below Fidelity. Asset managers. Right below Fidelity. So look, American asset management firm Franklin Templeton Investments has filed a preliminary prospectus with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, for a government money market fund with a focus on blockchain-based shares. Now, why I bring this up is that, you see, it's a money market fund. So I told you about investment vehicles, many vehicles. You can invest. So I told you about this before. Here's a Microsoft share, one share. And if I want exposure, it's called exposure to Microsoft. So if I want exposure in my portfolio to Microsoft, there's many ways I can do it. I can just buy the share, bang, on E-Trade. I can do it through an options, bang. I can do it through an ETF, bang. I can do it through a futures, bang. I can do it through swaps, bang. I can do it through fucking, what else we got? ETFs, oh my gosh. Lots of, man, my brain just froze. But you see, you can do, those are called investment vehicles. I can do it through many vehicles. I can have exposure to it. All right, here we go. Through my 401k, bang. Through my fucking retirement fund, bang. Or I can have it for my daughter's college fund, bang. All of those ways, I think I just told you 8, 9 ways, are all the ways that you can expose yourself to the price movement of the underlying asset, which is, in this case, a Microsoft share. Yes. And so these guys want to have a money market fund, which is another way to expose yourself to whatever asset you want. Yes. And that's what I was telling you guys. All right, so let me explain. We're in the embryonic stages. The embryonic stages. Yeah, all these ETFs. Yeah, great. Yeah, oh, sorry, my bad. All these futures contracts, okay, that brings liquidity. This ETF I'm going to read about you in a second, that's going to bring liquidity. But it's the combination of all of this, all of those investment vehicles that are going to bring us the total. And that's why I'm telling you, like, we're just at the beginnings. We're just at the beginnings. And so what I'm telling you is don't worry. Like, if I'm a futures guy, well, I'm not going to get in here until futures come. If I'm an options guy, I'm not going to come and bring my money until options come. If I'm a, swaps guy, wow, that's different. That's like an ETF. I mean, that's like a futures. But whatever, like, you're going to trade what you know how to trade, how you know how to trade, right? I just showed you can attack a Microsoft share in 8 different ways. Yeah, well, there's 8 different types of guys who know how, right? Like, I know how to attack a market. I showed you yesterday. Yeah, and Stallion. Did you see that, Stallion? Blockchain Stallion. Did you see that? You saw those? Bang, look, bang, look. Off the trend? Exactly, that's what I'm teaching you. Well, I mean, that's what you're learning. And then that's what we do. And so there's many ways to attack something. And so a money market fund. All right, oh my goodness. All right, let's move on. So according to a September 3rd SEC filing, Franklin Templeton's fund will make investments in a range of products such as U.S. government securities, repurchase agreements, and blockchain-based shares. However, the document notes that the fund will not invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, you're probably saying, Shomari, what the fuck, man? It's not investing in cryptos. Why do you care? Yeah, because it's Stellar. Stellar's onboarding people, and that's the power of Stellar. That's the power. You don't need to use Stellar shares on it. You use the Stellar network, and we're going to talk about it later, right? Remember last year, Stellar got on with IBM, the WorldWire thing? Yeah, to sew up those banks for cross-border payments. Yeah, the banks don't have to use Stellar Lumen. They can fucking move whatever they want on that. Stellar Network allows people to move whatever they want on it or create even assets on it. Yeah, it's deep, man. It's deep. Don't be slipping on Stellar. It's one of my killers. I got 7, 8 killers now because I got Singularity Net too. Yep. Stellar's one of them. Stellar Network recorded shares. Oh, sorry. Stellar Network recorded shares. All right. Franklin Templeton has chosen the Stellar Network to record the ownership of the fund's shares. The fund's investment manager ostensibly believes that blockchain-based shares will boost transparency and reduce settlement times, among other benefits for shareholders. The document further explains that clients will be able to buy and redeem shares of the fund through a special app, where each investor will receive a blockchain wallet and a corresponding pair of public and private keys after an account is created. It is said that the fund will invest at least 99.5% of its total assets in government securities, bonds, cash, and repurchase agreements. So, not just bonds, my bad, but in government securities, cash, and repurchase agreements. All collateralized fully by government securities or cash. So, it'll all be there if you want to look at it that way. So, this summer, major global firms, including the Stellar Foundation, Ethereum Foundation, and Fidelity, began supporting a new blockchain accelerator program called Startup Studio. Oh. What? You didn't read this article? I didn't actually read down to this part. No, I didn't. I read this on another thing. I told you guys, I read articles like 5 times. And so this one, I didn't know that. So this summer, major global firms, including Stellar Foundation. Oh, so Stellar, Ethereum, and what? Hold on, I got to bang this motherfucker right here. Look. But began supporting a new blockchain accelerator program called Startup Studio. Bang! Oh, okay, I see. Oh, Fidelity, you're getting rude. You're getting stinky. All right. You know Fidelity. You know Fidelity's going to take this mother... All right, watch. Fidelity's going to be a big monster player in this space when the time is right. Holy shit. When the time's right, brothers. So the project is set up, the project is set up to provide workshops to blockchain startups to help them enhance product design, law and engineering, smart contract development, finance, and hiring, among others. So Stellar also partnered with IBM, this is the thing we know about from last year, in an effort to create a real-time controlled global payment network that was called WorldWire. The deployment of Stellar Protocol will reportedly allow IBM blockchain WorldWire, oh, there it is, to serve as a network provider for international payments. Yeah, Stellar's rocking on. I don't know how good that WorldWire thing is going to be, but bang, Stellar rocks on again. They have, oh man, I got to bang this. Hold on, where is it? Right there. Holy, there, bang. Major global firms, including Stellar Foundation, Ethereum Foundation, and bang, Fidelity. Hold on, they need a single bang on their own. Bang. Stellar. That's why they're part of my killer army. Look. Stellar holders. Good one. Bang. Now, Dutch Central Bank. Cryptocurrency firms to be regulated as of January 2020. So, yes, the Dutch are going to regulate. Now, does that mean they get on the nation tonight? No, because they said in January 2020. So, we got to wait till then. But let's talk about what they are planning to do. Are you bored, dog? Nah, dogs. Like I said, you know I'm a Forex trader. Yes, but I had to stay awake for the U.S. Open today, man. So I'm a little tired right now. Let me look at my trades. Yeah, you see? And I'm probably just going to sleep tonight. These aren't even going well. Yes. So look. The Dutch Central Bank has today revealed it will begin regulating firms that offer cryptocurrency-related services as of January 10th, 2020. All right, couple more months. Well, a few more months. What are we at? Well, you know what I mean. Reuters reported on September 3rd that the Netherlands Bank classified that relevant firms in the sector must register with the institution if they wish to continue to operate. The bank's official statement reportedly reads, let's read their official statement. In concrete terms, firms offering services for the exchange between cryptos and regular money and crypto wallet providers must register with the Netherlands Bank. Bang! So, recent cryptocurrency developments in the Netherlands. As reported, Dutch ministers have urged the country's government this July to regulate cryptocurrencies and certain cash payments due to money laundering concerns. Yes, we all know about that. In January, Dutch Minister of Finance Wopke Hoekstra received official advice from the Netherlands Authority for the Financial Markets and the Netherlands Bank that a licensing system should be introduced for the cryptocurrency services. The Netherlands does not recognize cryptocurrency as legal tender, although in 2018, a Dutch court ruled that Bitcoin was a legitimate transferable value in a penalty payment case. All right, so some judge said something. All right, but look, so 2020, bang. So January 2020, I'm assuming we should be able to add the Netherlands to our nation of champions. Look, all right, we'll see. We shall see, but that's what they sound like they're saying. All right, now let's get in the meat of tonight's shit. All right, bang. So this is going to be bang and bang. This is going to be a three-parter. Not three-part, but yes, we're going to get deep. Now, VanEck. All right, hold on. We're going to get deep tonight. So check this out. I'm going to just say it, and then then we'll read it. VanEck, right? You know, VanEck, SolidX, they applied for an ETF, right? And the SEC was like, nah, dog, right? Remember? And they I have it right here. Right. And so the SEC said October 13th. Oh, no, my bad. So, all right, let me slow down. Wilshire's, SolidX, and Bitwise all applied for ETFs. Remember? And then a few, what was it, about a month ago, the SEC said, we're not going to rule on them yet. But now, their ruling time is over soon, right? They have to rule. And so SolidX, they have to get ruled on by October 13th. Today's November. What is this? Not November. It's not November. It's August. June, July. It's August 4th, 2019. And so they have to get regulated, right? The SEC has to give the answer by October 13th. Well, VanEck was like, yo, fuck all that. Fuck you, SEC. This is the beauty of America. There's rules. Yes, but there's always a loophole. There's always a loophole. And if you're rich enough to do it, well, you get to do it. And so, look, let's watch this. Bang! Well, hold on. Let me, before I even just start banging. Look. Yeah, these guys found a loophole. So, the SEC has been denying all the ETFs, the Winklevosses, the VanEck, what is this? The Bitwise and the Wilshire's ETFs, all not denied, my bad. Not denied, but delaying the rulings, right? VanEck and SolidX like, yo, fuck all this. We're not waiting for your ruling. We're going to use this tiny little loophole in the law, and we're going to bring this shit. When is it? Soon. Like, it's coming soon. Yeah. That's what it takes. Hire some good lawyers. They'll get her done for you. So, while the U.S. SEC has so far, Security and Exchange Commission, has so far blocked a number of proposed Bitcoin ETFs, two firms aim to launch a more limited option this week. So, they're not getting to do the full ETF. Okay, so we got to say that. They're going to break some loopholes, but It only allows them, and this is all we need, so I'm going to show you. Announced Tuesday, VanEck Securities and SolidX Management, which had previously had a decision on their proposed Bitcoin ETF postponed, that's the postponement, until fucking October 13th, had the postponement, revealed they are taking an unusual route to bypass the regulation hurdles. All right, you want to fucking stop us? All right, we're going to go an unusual route. Yes. The American way. Find a good lawyer to find you some loopholes. So look. The companies will use an SEC exemption, that will allow shares in their VanEck SolidX Bitcoin Trust to be offered to institutions such as hedge funds and banks, but not to retail investors. Fuck that. Bye. Look. So what they did was they said, yo, fuck you, SEC. We're going to do this shit. Bang. We're going to offer to institutions and bang, hedge funds. Bang. And that's what we need. Bang. We don't give a fuck about mom and pop. Not yet. Fidelity will bring that shit in later. Yes, the 401ks and the retirement funds and all that. What we need now is straight institutional money. And they said, fuck this. We're going to do a loophole. So and basically what they did was, I'll just tell you right now, they want to offer their shit to everybody, but they're going to do this loophole which only allows big money to come. Well, that's all we care about. Around here, around these parts, if you're around cryptocurrency blockchain news, all I give a fuck about is institutional money. And give a fuck about soccer mom and dad. Not yet. All right? But not retail investors, right? And banks, but what? Not retail investors. Fuck those retailers. We don't need them. They're the ones who caused the 2017 craziness anyway. Look. Weekends. Though not in fact a true... Okay, so... All right, let me just read and then I'll explain. Though not a true exchange-traded fund, the product is similar. Ed Lopez, head of ETF product at VanEck, told CoinDesk that the offering allows the shares to be created and redeemed like ETFs, but it is not an ETF. It's the same way a swap is not a futures, but fuck, man, the differences are so minute. You know, the differences are so minute. I can't get it. I'm not going to get into it. So unlike an ETF, it isn't listed on a national exchange, right? ETFs are usually on the NASDAQ or whatever. Rather, it is quoted on the OTC Link ATS platform. Now, I know what you're saying. Shomari, dog, it's OTC. It's not going to bring us liquidity. No. So now, I know I've taught you about the OTC market. The OTC market, the way I've taught you about it is that, well, in the OTC market, I buy something from a Bitcoin miner and I get to negotiate the price, right? Bitcoin's at, I don't know, what's Bitcoin at right now? Let me look. Bitcoin's at, let's fucking take a look. What are we at, 10.5? So imagine I'm a guy and I want to buy on the OTC market. I tell a Bitcoin miner, look, I'll buy 1,000 Bitcoin off you right now, but for 10 grand a piece. So you're allowed to do that. Now, I know what you're saying. Well, Shomari, this is the OTC market. It's not going to bring us money. No. And this is the difference. The OTC market, the way I've taught, is this it? The way I've showed you about OTC is the private miner to guy trade thing. But in other words, I'm a guy and I want to buy it from the miner and we negotiate. No. The OTC market, how you should really look at it is as private market. Okay? That's what the OTC market is. Really a private market. Like, do you understand? So these ETFs, they're going to be offered on the private market, but they're not going to get to negotiate the price of them. No, you either buy it or you don't. And that's where we get our liquidity from. All right? Do you understand? They don't get to negotiate the price of these ETFs. It's OTC in that the SEC and those guys aren't going to let them give it to just regular people. We're not going to be able to get it. So it has to be in the private market. But it's not negotiable. It's this or nothing, fuck sick. You know what I mean? So that does bring us a lot of liquidity. And a little bit of scarcity, a little bit, but liquidity more, okay? All right. What's the previous that? Where the fuck were we? Rather, it's quoted in the OTC Links ADC platform. Exactly. This is the first of its kind type of offering, given it will trade over the counter via broker to broker transactions. But we've been casually referring to it as Bitcoin traded fund or broker traded fund. They're making fun instead of an ETF, instead of an exchange traded fund. Because an exchange traded fund means everyone gets to have a piece. Yeah, but they're not going to let everyone have a piece, only accredited investors. So, but it's not the OTC funds. All right? Remember that OTC shit. They don't get to negotiate prices, okay? So the shares are to be sold from Thursday under the SEC Rules 144A, which allows privately placed securities to be traded among qualified institutional buyers with shorter holding periods and without the requirements to register with the SEC. Dang on it. Bang! That's Rule 144 right there. Investopedia. Look, fucksticks, when you're here, you got to go to Investopedia. I'm going to do this one time. I'm going to do this now. But if you don't understand anything I say, you go to Investopedia and you'll learn, okay? So, Rule 144A is, yes, this is the rule. You actually read the rules. Yeah. That's why I'm a killer. But that's why I slaughter boys, because I know everything. Look. Duh. What is Rule 44A? Rule 44A, 144A, modifies the Securities and Exchange Commission restriction on trades of privately placed securities so that these investments can be traded among qualified institutional buyers. And that's what it is. So that's all we have to read. I mean, all the rules are right here. So if you actually want to learn something, people, come here and learn in Investopedia. Look up Rule 144A. But run Rule 144A, bang! It allows them to offer this shit to institutional investors. And what are we here for, boys? We need institutional money. Soccer mom and soccer dad are not bringing us tsunami. Institutional money is going to bring us that tsunami. So, and I'm going to put this rule, if you actually care to read it, which you should, if you're here on my channel, you want to be a killer bee, well, read it. I'm going to have that in the descriptions. So, the shares will provide institutional investors access to physically backed Bitcoin product by. Yes. Physically backed, brothers, taking them off the market, creating what? What? What's the word? Exactly. Scarcity. Scarcity, brothers. Creating scarcity. Where are we here? Physically backed Bitcoin product that is traceable through traditional and prime brokerage accounts. The firm explained in a press release, blah, blah, blah. The firm explained in a press release. So the shares are the first institutional quality, cleared product providing exposure to Bitcoin and enabling a standard ETF creation and redemption process. Gorbacks, that's the VanEck guy. Director and disaster manager, digital strategy of VanEck said, we continue to support, we continue to support market structure, infrastructure, developments in the digital asset space. This qualified institutional buyer, only 144. Okay, sorry. This qualified institutional buyer only 144A Bitcoin product may pave the way for institutional Bitcoin adoption and showcase that an appropriately regulated ETF structure can work in practice. Exactly. This shit right here, bang, 144A. This is the original rules. Institutional investors only. Big money, and that's what we want. So SolidX is sponsoring the trust, while VanEck is providing marketing services, according to the release. Further, this is the shit too. BNY Mellon has come on board as the daily fund accountant. There already, I will count your shit. Administrator and transfer agent. This includes facilitating the investor creation and redemption activity. Right? Like that shows, legitimacy. Investors are also insured against the theft or loss of the Bitcoin private keys held by the trust. I'm going to teach you about something later on this week, okay? Probably on Saturday, custody. Because I taught you guys about custody, but I'm going to teach you why custodying crypto is different than custodying anything else, okay? I told you the other day, but I didn't explain why, and I was like, oh, dickhead, you didn't tell them why. All right? Custodying crypto is different than anything else, and that's why it's so important that you have crypto custodians. Yeah, there are thousands of custodians, tens of thousands of custodians in the world. Yeah, but how many crypto custodians? And I'm going to show you why later this week. Don't worry about it. Saturday, bang, I got you. Remember that. So what? Blah, 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 ETF creation and redemption, clearing and settlement process. Institutional investors can finally get exposed to Bitcoin without a familiar or within a familiar context. We view the product as an exciting next step to SolidX and VanEck in our partnership as we work to bring institutional quality crypto asset products to the marketplace. So, all right, and that's the SEC shit. They haven't approved anything. And so, you see what they did? They went around it. They're waiting for the ETF approval, right? They want to sell ETFs to everybody, but they were like, "Yo, fuck all that, bang! We're gonna use Rule 144A." What? What's that sound? Oh, my bad. So they're going to use Rule 144A, which allows them to sell to accredited investors, the big money, right? So they're not allowed to sell it to you or me. Who gives a fuck? They're allowed to sell to, bang, institutional investors, and that's what we need. All right? And so, but I'm not done yet. Hold on. Bang. According to VanEck, and so this is what I want to get through to you. Qualified institutional buyers, defined generally as an institution with a portfolio of securities valued at more than $100 million. So these are only for people with more than $100 million. Now, $100 million ain't really fuck all. I mean, I know it seems like a lot, but in this world, in my world, it ain't fuck all. But it's good. Those are the prop traders and the small hedge fund boys. So either owned or under its management, a registered broker-dealer with at least $10 million in securities owned or managed, and a bank or savings and loan, both, one, owns or invests on a discretionary basis in at least $100 million in third-party securities, or has an audited net worth of at least $25 million. So you can see these boys, they're offering it to the prop desk boys. $100 million, shit like that, $25 million, stuff like that. So, but you see they have rules for it. You have to have at least bang, bang, bang. So it's not just a wild cowboy party. They're, they're making sure they're qualified. Examples of QIBs may include business development companies, corporations, ETFs, hedge funds, insurance companies, mutual funds, or registered investment advisors. A natural person is not considered a QIB, you or me. Brokers trading the 144A shares are responsible for confirming the buyer's QIB status. So, they have to make sure that these guys are properly regulated. But bang! All right, but what I'm telling you is, bang! Look! Here come those ETFs. Yeah, institutional. These motherfuckers, they've been fucking around. They want to offer investments to soccer mom, soccer dad, me and you, and all this bullshit. Just get to the institutions, and that's what these guys did. They went around the rules. They went around the usual, because remember, they're still waiting for their ETF ruling on October 13th. That's the one that's going to be for everybody. But they're like, yo, fuck all this. We're just going to offer it to the big money. Bang! Yes. Institutional money. Bang! Yes. Right? Institutional money. Right? Valued at, you have to be valued at more than 100 million, bitch. Look! And that's the liquidity we need, brothers. That's the liquidity we need. And, this will be good. This will be nice. All right. Bang! And there's the rule right there. I'm going to put the rule there. If you have a brain, you shall read it. So look, let's get to the shout outs. Bang! What do we got? Oh, Spy Lady up front. Bang, Spy Lady. Haha, Brency. Love you, sweetie. Bang! See you. Edwin, love your brother, she brother. Bang! Ooh, one of the originals. Hurricane Master. Oh, speaking of hurricane, I guess I got to say that shit. Yeah. So the hurricane, it did go north. It didn't come here, so I got all this equipment for nothing. But it's heading north. So for the brothers, Edwin, Justin. I don't know where these guys are. I got to look, but they're here in Florida. So bang, stay safe, guys. Bang. All right, and there's Hurricane Master. Hurricane Master 808. Bang, see you, brother. I just call him the Hurricane Master. Fuck that 808 bullshit. Look, he knows what I'm talking to. Look. What we got here? Eyes in the lake. Bang. Miniam. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What's Miniam talking about? Oh, man, they're crazy shit. Yeah, I saw this crazy shit here. Oh, some V-Chain shit. Yes, probably another onboarding. So look, Dutch Ministry of Agriculture, Nature and Food Quality response to use case V-Chain. Guys, you got to show me a URL that shows me V-Chain is onboarded. I appreciate this, though. I know, because you did it, Beniam, and some other guy did it. Where is it? Yeah, right down here. Oh, Edwin rocked it. Yeah. Bang, though, bang. It's V-Chain. You know what V-Chain does. They just keep onboarding shit. So, bang. All right. What else we got? Bang. All right, beat him again. The darkness has arrived. What's the darkness arriving about? What's he arriving about? Oh, this shit. Yeah. Oh. Well, if it's good enough to bring on the darkness, it's Justin. Shit must be serious. I'll figure out what these guys are trying to say to me. I don't understand what these guys are trying to say. Like, hold on, let me look. All right, but first of all, bang, Justin, love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang, stay safe up there. He's a Floridian, and he's got a wife. Yes, gotta keep her safe. Yes. In response to use case V-Chain. All right, man. Edwin, once again, though, bang, brother. I'm going to look. I don't understand what you guys are trying. What are you telling me? All right. All right, CB Newswire, asset manager Franklin. Oh, that's what we just read. Exactly, Franklin Templeton. Yeah, they're just under fucking, what's that one? Fidelity. Bang! Look. Oh, look at this son of a bitch right here. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang! Look. Bang! Look. Bang! Yeah. Love you, brother. I love how he put the look bangs under. Yes, brother. Love you, brother. Look, because he's a killer. He's a killer. A real one. Look, Andrew Hall. What? Oh, that's what this guy's talking about. Hookers. I'm not going on your web page. Get a grip. Like, keep fit. Spinning football in the gym. Watching crypto dramas. Nights out on the town. All right. Look. All right. Men. Bang. See you, brother. Love you. Oh. See you, brother. Bang. All right. See you, brother. Bang. Yeah. Deep entertainment. See you, love you, brother. Bang. There we go. Some fucking regular shit there. Oh, what that weird motherfucker was talking about. Biniam, what you got? Yes, Biniam's talking all sorts of stuff. Huobi Global is getting into the smartphone business, announcing today the launch of the Acute Angle blockchain phone. Oh, you don't trust that. Look, guys, don't trust that Huobi. Do not trust Huobi. That's that Chinese shit run by the Chinese military. Don't trust that Huobi. That's why we're not going to let them into our 5G networks. You think we're fucking stupid? You think we're fucking stupid here in America? Fuck sticks? Get the fuck out of here, China. Huobi. Get the fuck out of here. We don't let that shit in here. Yeah, it's so bad, the politicians passed a law. Nah. No Huobi for America's 5G network. Fuck that. We're not going to let you fuckers all up in our shit, scanning our shit. Huobi is a bunch of naughtiness. They're being naughty. They're a bunch of naughty boys over there. Don't trust it. Don't trust it, buddy. Don't trust it, brothers. Look. Don't do it. All right. What's Medium talking about here again? He's always talking Medium. Look. Luxembourg Luxembourg branch of Bitcoin. All right. Let me slow down. Like I said, I was already watching the U.S. Open. Some Roger Federer and some Serena. Obviously, I was getting fueled, so the fuel level is it's high right now. Look. Luxembourg branch of the Big Four auditing firm PwC will start accepting Bitcoin payments on October 1st, 2019. Bang! All right. PricewaterhouseCoopers. Yeah, that's a biggin'. All right, couple more. Wayne, 123. Bang, see you, brother. Where's Stallion? Where's she at? She must be hard at work. Shit. She's a hard-working girl, brothers. It's a hard-working girl right there, Stallion. Oh, I'm going to find her, though, just to give her a bang. Fuck. Where's she at? Yeah, that's a worker bee like a motherfucker. Yeah, but she's a good one. Yeah. Where's she at? There she is. Stallion. Look. Love you, girl. Love you, sweetie. Keep hard at work. Bang. And you saw that shit I did yesterday. Did you see those trades I made yesterday? I want you to go back to the video. I want you to pause it when I get to those trades. And look at the trades I made. And I want you to look at the training manual, the trading course you're taking. Is it not the same? That is the proof. That is the proof. Yeah, we're killers. We're killers. All that other zigzag, wiggly stuff motherfuckers are teaching people, bunch of bullshit, girl. You're on the path to success. Don't worry about it. You are on the path to success. Oh, and she gave me this thing with kisses. Look, sweetie. Love you, girl. All right. Bang. All right. There we got it. We had to get her in there. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. All right. So we had a great show for you today, as usual. Look. Money market fund launched on Stellar. Oh, yeah. That's what I told you. Stellar's not playing games. Stellar, it's awesome. You launch shit on that motherfucker, right? You can do shit like your tokens, what's this thing they want to do? Like, they want to do this stuff like, if you want to tokenize a house or tokenize anything, like you can put it on Stellar and they're going to let you. That's what it's built for. And so these guys are going to tokenize market funds. Bang, Stellar. And now VanEck to offer Bitcoin ETF. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, the Dutch central bank thing. Yeah, so. Let's hope the Dutch come out strong. I mean, what else is there to say? We'll see how that happens. And then VanEck is to offer the Bitcoin ETFs. Exactly. Remember, backed, self-certified, right? They were like, yo, fuck you guys. We're just going to self-certify. So that's pretty much what VanEck did. They were like, yo, fuck you, SEC. Not self-certify, but we're going to go around your rules and just offer it to institutional investors, big money investors, and you can't stop us. And that's what we need. So you and I here, brothers and sisters, we need big money investors. And that's what VanEck did. They said, fuck the little mom and pops. We're going to bring in big institutional investors. We're going to go around your rules and offer the Rule 144 thing where only big money can come in. Fine. Great. And bang, you're going to bring in liquidity. And that's going to be great. So let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do the show. My name is Shomari Clarke. I love to talk money. I love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me to your home. Look, I'll see you tomorrow. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke, and I'm always on duty. Bang! Look. Always on duty. Bang! Over and out.